This is a short video about a stuck DVD disc inside an LG DVD player. The player itself is a COMBI player, so it plays DVDs, Blu-ray and HD, and it's one that I got imported from the States several years ago. I actually got it very cheap, so there was very little sales tax to pay. It was mainly shipping actually, and it's been fine. The player's been okay in the summer months, but the weather's got a little bit cold now, and what's happened is it won't power up. So if I turn it on, it looks like it's powering up, but it basically goes into this please wait sort of prompt on the front screen, and it looks like regardless of what this is doing, it's actually not doing anything. It's kind of stuck. So I guess what's happening is there's some capacitors on the main board. They're probably well, they've probably got to a stage now where they're not effective enough, and I'm thinking actually of trying to move the player downstairs into a warmer room to see if it helps it. So at the moment I'm a little bit stuck, so I've got a box set here that's missing one of its DVDs because it's stuck inside. I can't open it. The way round it, I guess, would be to pop the lid off of the player and see if I could eject the DVD manually from the drive that's sat inside the unit. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to try something else out and see if it works. So it involves something noisy. So as you can see, I've got a sticker that says 120 volts on it. I'm actually using a step down converter for the voltage, so I'm bringing it down from sort of 240 down to 120 because this is a US Canada model. It's quite substantial. If I turn it over, there's this nice metal sort of case to it, or chassis I should say. I've actually got the mains stuck in there as well, so I don't accidentally swap it for a standard wire with a British plug, which then would obviously run the risk of blowing up the unit if someone was to plug it in without me knowing, essentially. So that's why it's got that stuck on it, which means that I just take that out. You can't really go wrong. You can't really plug that into a standard socket here in the UK. So I'll leave that out a minute. Just pressing this, make sure it's discharged any power, and I'm just going now to warm up the underside. Okay, so I'll just move that back into position. Okay, so let's see if this works. Now, if you can hear something when it starts up, it is normally a good sign, because it means it's got past its sticky stage. And I can definitely hear the DVD drive whirling in there. I'll turn the TV on, I think. I'll plug it in and turn the TV on. As you can see, I'm a collector of other formats here, so I've got a Hitachi video disc player. So this is the similar size to a laser disc, but they use stylus instead of a laser. and this is a DVD recorder with a FireWire input, which I solely use for capturing from mini DV to DVD essentially, so that's quite useful. I had to repair this one actually because the Panasonic had some blown capacitors, so if you do buy these machines second hand cheap off eBay, it's worth replacing the capacitors. A little bit of dust there. So I'm going to just put the SCART lead in a minute and see if we've got a menu. Actually, before I do that, let's see if I can take the disc out. Yeah, come on. That's the most important thing. Rescue the disc. It's been rescued, and I shall connect it to the TV. Okay, will we get a picture? Hey, there we are. There's the infamous LG welcome menu, and I've rescued the disc from it. Shall I be a bit brave and see if I can at least play the start of it? So I think this device, although it seems to work better in the summer, and it's quite cold in this room now, I think it's a sign that it's on its last legs. So rather than just throwing away the whole unit, I will probably rescue the drive, at least from it. I think that's probably important really. Let's just see, can I play from here? Usually use the remote, so it looks like I can. And there we are. So this just might be a quick video to show that with a little bit of heat you may be able to get your LG DVD player at least to spit out the last disc if it's refusing to start properly. And thank you for watching this video, and I will probably add some more videos of useful tips and things I find as I work my way through some of this old technology. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.